So we'll start from Prospero's speech. As it starts, it goes on, I see, as my soul prompts it, spirit, fine spirit, I'll free you within 2 days. Now, you can see from here, Miranda speaks, I might call him a thing divine. He means Ferdinand. Means Ferdinand. A thing divine. See, he is really handsome. For nothing natural I ever saw so noble. She has never seen someone so handsome as him. Prospero aside. Aside means speaking to this Ariel or to himself. It goes on. That means it is going according to my wish. I see, as my soul prompts it, as my soul wants it. That means as I want it or as I desire it. Spirit, fine spirit, I'll free thee, I'll free you, release you within 2 days for this. Within 2 days you will get your freedom. Ariel, Ferdinand, most sure the goddess on whom this year attains. Most sure. That means I'm certain, I'm sure. The God is on whom this air attain. Air means the music. The song is arranged. The music was there for a long time sung by Ariel. Now he is saying that actually the music was not sung for him. That was actually sung for beautiful Miranda. Ferdinand saw Miranda for the first time. Vouchsafe my prayer. If you look at your book, you will find the term condensed to grant. That means kindly accept, you can also write, or approve. Approve my prayer. May know if you remain upon the island. Kindly tell you, do stay here in the island. And that will some good instruction give, how I may wear me here. Give me good instruction means instruct me how may bear me here. How, the meaning of this line is, how would I behave here? My prime request, which I do last pronounce, the last one that I am going to announce last. Pronounce means announce or speak. Oh, you wonder if you be made or no. Kindly tell me, are you a maiden or an angel or a god? Miranda, no wonder, sir, but certainly a maid. I am a human being, a maiden, not an angel nor a goddess. Ferdinand, my language, heaven. I am the best of them that speak this speech. But where I but heard this spoken, my language, heavens, I am the best of them that speak this speech. That means I am one of the highest ranking person. Heaven stands for expression of surprise. Oh my God. My language, what he is speaking. I am the best of them. I am the one from my area who beholds the highest rank, who speaks this language, where it's spoken. That means I wish I would go back to that place where my language is spoken. Prospero. How the best? What word though, if the king of Naples heard you? It is very nice that you are speaking at the absence of king of Naples. If he would hear you, he'd be very angry. Now, here Prospero is pretending that he does not know Ferdinand. Also pretending that he has no knowledge about what happened in the ship. He is saying that you are speaking about language and other things. What would happen if the king of yours know that you are here and enjoying your time here? Ferdinand, a single thing, as I am now, that wonders to hear the speak of Naples. As a single thing, now I am a single thing. That means there is no separate king of Naples and there is no separate Ferdinand. Now Ferdinand, I am the king of Naples. That wonders to hear speak of Naples. But I am very surprised to hear that you are talking about king of Naples. he does hear me, and that he does, I weep. He can hear me. He is no more, but he can hear me. He is far away from me. And I am weeping for him, myself am Naples. Presently I am the king of Naples, since who with mine eyes never since at ebb. Since the time the ship got wrecked, since that time I am crying and weeping my tears out. Beheld the king my father wrecked, and my father is no more. He died due to the shipwreck. Miranda, alack for mercy. What a pity. Ferdinand, yes, faith, and all his lords, the Duke of Milan and his brave son being twain. So not only he, all the lords, the minister, as well as the Duke of Milan and his son, all suffered the shipwreck. Prospero, aside, the Duke of Milan and his more braver daughter could control you. The Duke of Milan means the real Duke of Milan, that means Prospero. He is talking about himself. And his more braver daughter, that means Miranda, could control you, can take total charge of you. If now it were fit to do it, if they are fit for it, if they were in their real position, they would surely take care of you. At the first sight, they have changed eyes. At the first sight, they have fallen in love, Miranda and Ferdinand. Delicate Ariel, my soft-hearted Ariel, I'll set you free for this. I'll free you for doing such a good work. Not only you brought this Ferdinand here, but also you arranged a beautiful love story between them. To a word, good sir, to Ferdinand he is speaking. A word, something I want to tell you. I fear you have done yourself some wrong. You have done something wrong. A word, I want to tell you something. Miranda, why speaks my father so urgently? Here urgently means roughly. Why is my father speaking so roughly? This is the third man that I have ever seen, that I saw. That means Caliban, Prospero, and this is the third one. The first that ever sighed for. The first man for whom I am longing. Actually in love. Pity moved my father to be inclined my way. That means pity, hope my father will be pitiful towards him and will take himself away from my way, will not disturb my affair with him. Ferdinand, oh, if a virgin and your affection none got forth, that means if you are a virgin and you did not have affection for any man before, I'll make you the Queen of Naples. If you had no relationship with others before, and if you are a virgin, then surely you will be the Queen of Naples. Prospero, soft sir, one word more. Be patient. Don't be in hurry. One word more, aside, speaking to himself. They are both in either's power. Actually, they are moving, Miranda and Ferdinand, moving according to the power of each other, because they are blindly in love at first sight. But this swift business I must uneasy make. This swift business means this is their love affair, which is grown so fast. I'll make it uneasy, little harder, lest otherwise too light winning make the prize light. Since their love affair got arranged so easily, so ultimately their affair will not be strong enough. It will become a light one or an easy one. One word more, I charge you that you attain me. You have to answer. You do here assert the name. You are using the name wrongly. You are not the King of Naples. You are telling lie. You are using fake name. You are using fake identity, and you are declaring a fake post, and has put thyself upon this island as a spy. And you have come here in this island in an incursion of or in the disguise of a spy to win it from me. As you want to win this island from me. I am the Lord of here, and you want to do this. Ferdinand, no, I am a man, as I am a man. Miranda, there is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. Here temple means body of Ferdinand, the looks. He is so handsome, nothing bad can be there inside him. If the ill spirit have so fair a house, good things will strive to dwell with it. If ill spirit have so fair a house, if the bad things do have so beautiful or a handsome a body, then obviously good thing will strive to be inside it. He is saying that Ferdinand is so handsome. Even if the bad things are there inside his body, inside his heart, then the good things will obviously fight to be inside, because he is of such look. To Ferdinand, Prospero, follow me. Speak not you of him, he is a traitor. Miranda, you don't speak about him, he is a traitor. Come, I will manacle thy neck and feet together. Manacle means I'll enchain your neck and feet just like a slave. Sea water shall you drink, you will be drinking sea water. Thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels. What you will be eating? You will be eating the husk of this corn with the root and root also. So all these things will be eating, while in the corn cradle, and you will be staying in the cornfield. Ferdinand, no, I will resist such entertainment, means ill behavior of you, till mine enemy has more power. I will obviously fight such kind of things, such kind of welcome and entertainment, eating such low quality food, till my enemies are not more powerful than me. That means still I am more powerful than my enemy, I will surely fight my enemies. Oh dear father, make not too rash a trial of him. Don't be like that, for he is gentle and not fearful. He is good fellow. Don't do like this, father.